we are going to have 489 examination centers. That is both public and private examination assessment centers. These include 384 public assessment centers and 105 private assessment centers. Our candidature, we have 6,567 boys who are going to do KPSEA and 6,273, totaling to 12,843 who are going to do KPSEA assessment distributed among the assessment centers that I've talked about in Embu County. We have actually received assessment materials for KPSEA, and they are distributed in the 10 containers. So the county has 10 containers. This is where our assessments have been stored. For security, we have made arrangements on how the assessment materials for KPSEA will be distributed in the 10 assessment centers and escorted to the assessment centers, that is assessment schools.